share the link.
Share the link.
The screen was doing blinking whilst I was praying. And then I saw your video on TikTok that you could fix.
And then now we are alpha hour.
May say alpha.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You guys, he's very real. Please contact him for all your screens. I'm so happy I got my screen fixed. This December will be very, very, very good.
Are you going to pray?
Of course, I'll pray. God help me get the money to fix the screen, so I'll pray.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
For 2 weeks now, I've been using some young meal. So, thank you, Fix Apple Ghana.